Hi, how to add a QR code to a PDF page in a few seconds. So you open the web page URL that you want to open a QR code for in Google Chrome. Then you right mouse anywhere on the page and click Create QR Code for this page. Now you can change this URL if you want to, but then you just click Copy. So that's now done. So you go onto your PDF in Adobe Acrobat and you either go onto Edit menu, Paste, or you press Ctrl V anywhere on the page, and that is the QR code on the PDF. So now you can rescale it how you want it. You can put it in the corner, and that's it. You just save the PDF as normal, and then you get out your phone and you can test the QR code with the camera on the phone. And it's that simple. Give it a try.